Now we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be our question number 4, and we have, what is the formula for surface area of a cylinder? Okay, so surface area of a cylinder. So basically, cylinder is a 3D figure. Surface area of a cylinder. So a cylinder is a 3D figure, three-dimensional figure, and if we see a cylinder is something like this, we have one more circle at the bottom. Yeah, something like this, and we have this is height, this as the radius, and both top and bottom surface will have same radius. So surface area is basically, we have two types of surface area for curve shapes. One is the curved surface area and second one is the total surface area. So curved surface, total surface area is basically area of circle, and for area of this top circle, so I'll just write TC, top circle, plus area of bottom circle, this one, and plus area of this curved surface. So total surface area is the area of this circle plus area of this bottom circle plus area of curved surface. Now area of top circle and bottom circle, because as the radius is equal, so this area of top circle is equal to area of this bottom circle. So in this case we'll have 2 times area of let's say just circle here, no top no bottom, area of circle plus area of curved surface. Now the area of circle is basically pi r square. So 2 times will be 2. Basically we'll just multiply this with 2 to get this term. Now we need to find area of curved surface. So when suppose if we open a cylinder, then we'll get a rectangle surface. If we open this curved surface, or if we just cut this cylinder from one side, then this curved surface will basically convert into a rectangle. So this rectangle I'll get a rectangle surface. Now my height of the cylinder is going to be the breadth of my rectangle. For the length of my rectangle, basically the length of the rectangle is going to be the circumference of this circle. So because as here also you can see the length of the rectangle is going to be the circumference of the circle, because suppose when we open a cylinder, then the circle, the curves of or the circumference of the circle is going to be the length of the my rectangle. So this will become circumference is 2 pi r, and area of this rectangle is length into breadth. So my area of curved surface will be length is 2 pi r, breadth is h. Now my total surface area will become 2 times of area of circle, which is 2 times of pi r square, plus area of curved surface. So this will become 2 pi r times h. I can take this 2 pi r common. So I'll get r plus h. So this is the total surface area. Now we have one more surface area, which is curved surface area. So we can calculate this curved surface area by, so this curved surface area is nothing but the area of this rectangle. Curved surface area is just 2 pi r times h. Or we can also say this curved surface area as lateral surface area. Um, whatever term you like, you can just, the basic concept is clear. And the area of the circle, two circular bases, then we have TSA, total surface area is 2 pi r plus h. So the solution given here is correct. Is correct. Good work.